Choose your fighter. Fight.
Knockout. You win.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney, but I go by Nanny Kiki here on YouTube. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. If you are not new here, welcome back, girl. How you doing? I have missed you. Hope you're still staying safe. Today's video has been requested by a subscriber. We are going to be doing a full face makeup tutorial, a very in-depth. Well, I'm showing you what I know. It's my tutorial. So first, we're going to start by clipping our hair out of the way. As always, hair by my company, myprettygirlbundles.com. You can shop. Link will always be down in the description box below. In your first order, you get 15% off, and you get free shipping. So, well, try us out. We got, beautiful bundles. This is our 613 body wave. I didn't curl it or anything, but as you can see, it's still wavy. And it was dyed Cajun spice, and it was made into, this is our closure. I don't know if you can you see? This is our closure. We have lashes, we have custom made press-on nails. So shop with us. We offer a lot of different things. I'm super excited. There's a lot of things that I want to add to my website. So you need to sign up for our email list or follow us on Instagram so you can stay updated to when we add new products. Our Instagram is myprettygirlbundles. I will flash it across the screen right now. Or click the link down in the description box below, or you can just go to www.myprettygirlbundles.com. Anyways, I'm done plugging myself. Clip our beautiful, non-shedding, holds curls really well, just gorgeous hair out of the way. I have already washed my face, so what I like to do, the first thing that you want to do is moisturize. You can use any moisturizer you want. I prefer to use this. This is the cocoa butter formula from Palmer's. This is sunscreen, and I actually got this from Walmart. SPF 30. You want to make sure you're wearing the sunscreen every single day. Every single day, even in the wintertime, even when it's cloudy outside, even if it's raining, wear your damn sunscreen. They have moisturizers that have SPF built into them, so you don't have to just wear a straight out SPF. You can do whatever you want to do. You want to let it soak into your skin. After that, what I like to do is my brows. I can do my brows and then primer, but I just want to show you the primer that I use. This is the Pore Professional Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores, and this is by Benefit. Give you a little close up. I got this little one because honestly, I don't use a primer like that. I don't notice a huge difference, but me, I have a lot. Oh my god, y'all, I got so many pores and blackheads on my nose here. So when I'm doing like a full face, and I will do it, but you don't have to use a primer. You can if you want to. The purpose of a primer, in my opinion, is to like smooth out your face. So like when it says minimize the appearance of pores, what I think that does is basically it basically fills them in, so you have like a smoother canvas to work with. So this is the cheaper version of this, because this is a small travel size, and it's like $20 if you get the big one. But this is like $11 or whatever from Walmart. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Honestly, I can't tell the difference between the two whenever I'm grabbing for a primer. Either one of these will do. It's clear, and I take a small amount. And the only place I put my primer is on my nose, like basically in my T-zones. That's the main place that I put it. So nose, under my eyes, because I have really bad fine lines, and then I just take the rest and smooth out the rest of my face. The product that I like to use, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Angular shape, so it's good for doing your brows, and then it comes with a spoolie on the other end. Comes with a spoolie on the other end. This is the one that I like to use, but again, I'm all out of it, so I just use a spoolie, and then I brush out my brow. The other product that I like to use, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. Is this Ebony? No, this is chocolate. This is chocolate. And this wasn't my favorite product at first to use, but then I got used to using it. Pencil, when I run out of the pencil, I just use this because both of these are about $20. It might be like $20, $25. I have a whole tutorial on my channel dedicated to just brows. So I mean a whole channel. I have a whole video up already of me doing my brows. So if you want to check that out, again, just click up in the eye above there, click in the cards. Because I have dark circles under my eyes, I do color correct, especially when I'm going for like a full like look. LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the color, it's just called Orange Correct. No matter how you do it, we're gonna take a beauty blender, gonna wet it and just wring it out under the water. Wring all the water out. So it's not soaking wet, it's just damp. Y'all know this. So I'm gonna blend that out, and what I'm doing is I'm tapping. I'm not like smudging it across my face. Like when you blend stuff out, like foundation or anything, you're trying to blend it out so it looks better and it looks cohesive. So what I do is I just tap, 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 and I do the same thing under my eyes. Sometimes I'll correct here, like my smile lines, and then around my mouth, my moustache and my chin, but we're not doing all that today because it's not necessary. After I color correct, the next thing that I would do is foundation. But because of quarantine and because of the fact that it is now required to wear a mask everywhere you go, there is no point in doing a full face of makeup and wasting my very expensive foundation if I'm not even going to be wearing it. Plus, I do have to work later on, and I do wear a mask at work, and it obviously covers my nose and my mouth. So I only do concealer, brow. So I only do this up, y'all. Only do this up. I know some girls like do foundation and only here up. I ain't doing that, okay? Because I'm just gonna come home and take it off when I get off work anyway. My go-to foundation really is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This is in the color Y445. My nighttime foundation, my baby, my tried and true, is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet. This is my favorite foundation of all time. I'm not gonna tell y'all how long I've been using this shit. This is the VF03Z. If you think you're my skin tone or you want to like go darker or lighter for my skin tone. I do have a tan though, y'all. But I got like a little tan. But I don't switch my foundations out like in the summertime. I should use something a little bit darker, but I really don't wear foundation like that in the summertime unless I'm going on a date. And dates are typically at night. So, but these are my favorite foundations. If you all want me to do a foundation collection, because I do have a few others, I can do that, and I can do swatches and everything, or you know, show it on my face. I definitely am willing to do that. But Makeup Forever is my go-to for foundation. Concealer, because I have a couple that I have been grabbing, is this NARS Radiant. Is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the color Caramel. This is medium dark. And I just like to basically cover up my entire under eye area. If we were doing a full face tutorial, like doing our whole face, I would also take this and of course do my T-zone, down my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and below my concealer. But we're not doing a full face because COVID is take my gay ass fan. And I got this from Jackie Ina. I like to let my concealer dry down a little bit. I like to let this dry down a bit. I can, I don't know, go pick out your outfit, go have a snack, you can brush your teeth, but you want to let this dry down a little bit so that it's not so creamy and just moving all over the place. And when you're blending it out, it's not just getting picked right back up on your beauty sponge. And if y'all do want to see me put on foundation and concealer all over my face and highlight and contour, please go check out one of the videos above in my hair. I do have a whole playlist dedicated to beauty. If you want to check that out. I know I ain't no beauty guru or nothing like that, or I don't do my makeup real bomb, but I like to share my tips in a way that makes sense to me, like the way I wish someone would have explained it to me. Like, I hate when I'm watching a tutorial and they just be skipping over steps, and I'm like, bro, like, I don't know what you're doing. You moving too fast. So damn beauty blender, and we're gonna blend this out. I like to do is just take my beauty blender, and this is my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I like to set my under eyes and my eyelid because I did put concealer up there too. I brush away the extra powder from my eyelids. I do like to let this sit for a little bit. It's not really baking, but I do like to let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna put on my lashes, and y'all, let me just tell you, this is the easiest way to apply your lashes. Like, I'm not even bullshitting. So basically, you wanna get the glue with the wand up there, basically like a liquid eyeliner. You take it, you draw the line on, you draw where you want the lash to be on your eyelash, and then you stick this on. I promise, this is for you, Deshyla. I promise it will just go on. If you try to put the glue up here and then wait for it to dry, I'm telling you, that shit never worked for me. I used to hate putting lashes on because of that. Like, I couldn't get it. And I saw this hack on like Instagram or YouTube or something like a minute ago, and I've been doing it ever since. Go to the go to the beauty supply store, or wherever you can get glue from. I'm sure you can get it from Sephora or whatever. This was like probably, it was less than $5. I don't remember exactly how much. It was probably like $1.99 or something like that. You get it, doesn't matter the brand, but it has to have this wand up there. When you go to the beauty supply store, just ask them, do you have lash glue with the wand? The package will say wand anyway. You take it, and we're gonna draw it on our eyelash, okay? We're gonna draw it on. I need to look in this mirror here. You need to be really close. It needs to be by your, as close to your actual lash line as possible, because that's where you put lashes at. So when I draw it on, I'm gonna draw it really close. I'm gonna draw it and I'm gonna show you. You see where I drew it at? See that black line? It's basically like putting on liquid liner. And guess what? You ain't gotta wait for shit to dry. I like to wait for a couple seconds just to let it dry a little bit. Then I promise y'all, you literally just take your lash and stick the shit on, and it's not going nowhere. Over here. Boom, the shit is on. Literally, all I did was got close to the mirror to see where I wanted it, and it's on. How easy is that, bruh? How easy is that, bro? I'm telling you, I be sticking my lashes on in 2.5 seconds. And that's it, bro. And if you got a little extra black, because I got a little bit more, it's cool. The shit just looks like liner, and nobody gonna see the shit anyway. Take your wand. We're gonna draw it on with the glue, okay? Your lash. And it's on. That's it. Boom. It's on. Now we're gonna dust away this extra powder. I don't have a lot, but get rid of any excess powder. Then what I would do next is contour, but again, we're not contouring. What I like to use is just another LA Girl Pro Concealer, or I like to use this foundation stick. This is a little bit lighter than what this is. So like if I'm going for like a more of a natural look, then I would use this and just, so this is like I would say that's like 2 shades darker than what I am. But as you can see, this is hella dark, so. Then I would contour, and I would set my contour with the powder. Again, I have videos on my channel of me doing all of this, but for the purposes of quarantine and stuff like that, I'm not gonna do it. And then the last thing we're gonna do is to use a highlighter. You can spray yourself first with a setting spray. This is the Urban Decay. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This is the small bottle. They have a bigger bottle. This is like $14, so it's not that expensive. And I've had this for a very, very long time. Like, I think I bought this around Christmas time, maybe. So that's like over 6 months that I've had this, and I still have some left. Makeup Forever palette that I made myself. I'm still gotta add one more shade to it. But then you would highlight, and we can highlight. I like to spray my face first before I highlight, just so like I feel like my highlight sticks a bit better. The point of this spray is to make you look less powdery and less cakey. It'll add moisture to your face, and this will make sure your makeup stays on all, like it's called all night. It really does work. This is the only setting spray that I use. The only. I have literally went to bed on white sheets in a full face of makeup, rolled around, and not 1 ounce of makeup has gotten on this. Like nothing. I'm telling you, this is it. So, fan brush, or sometimes, actually today, we can use this one because I feel like it picks up a bit better. I'm going to use this one. I don't know the names because I bought these individually, so couldn't tell you. I just like to put it on my cheeks. I like to put it down the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. And sometimes I put on my inner corners, and then maybe a little bit there on the arch of my brow. Mentioned and in the last video, these lashes are also from my company. Like I said, I sell hair, lashes, and nails. These are our, I gotta keep it above. I don't know, y'all. I think these are just our regular 3D minks, because I do have regular 3D minks, and I have 25mm, I have 27mm, and I have 30mm if you like to be long and dramatic like I do. But these are just our regular ones. So, I mean, honestly, y'all, that is really it, other than me sticking on some lipstick. That is really, but like I said, I'm not, because of quarantine and everything. That is how I do my makeup, my everyday makeup. Honestly, this is my work makeup, minus the highlighter. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope I explained it pretty well. Please, please, please don't forget to support my channel and go ahead and subscribe so I can start getting paid. But if you did like this video, a thumbs up, a comment. I do take suggestions. Like I said, this is a suggestion from one of my subscribers. Hey girl, I love you. What's up? Hope you doing okay. Hope my niece doing okay. I do take video requests from subscribers. Not everything. Don't try me. Don't try me. Anyways, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Young and Kinky. I also have Twitter. I got a Tumblr. I got a LinkedIn. I got a Snapchat. It is all Young and Kinky. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch y'all in the next one, okay? Bye!